Hi, we're here at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x18 Dovetail equipment trailer. This trailer comes with your heavy-duty jack at the front. This is a bumper pull. This trailer has a chain basket at your front. There are heavy-duty tie-down points and stake pockets along the side. This trailer does come with pressure-treated wood flooring. There are two 7K axles on 16-inch rims. This trailer does have our stone guard fenders and LED brake lights. This trailer does come with the mini King Kong ramps. This trailer does have our corrosion repair and chip resistant paint. At the front passenger side, we have a tire mount. Once again, this is a 7x18 Dovetail equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.